In the world of problem solving and innovation, ideation is a crucial step. It's the process of generating a broad set of ideas without judging or evaluating them at the outset. This creative phase is fundamental in developing unique solutions to problems, both simple and complex. This video delves into various ideation techniques and discusses how ideation workshops and exercises can be structured to maximize creative output. Methods for idea generation. Scamper. Overview. Scamper is an acronym that stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. It's a checklist-based approach for thinking of changes you can make to an existing product or service to create something new. Application. Use Scamper questions to modify existing processes or products, leading to innovative improvements or entirely new ideas. Design thinking. Overview. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that draws from the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of people, the possibilities of technology, and the requirements for business success. Application. It involves a series of steps. Empathize with users, define the problem, ideate solutions, prototype, and test. It's particularly effective in addressing complex, human-centric problems. Structure of an ideation workshop. Setting the stage. Begin with a clear definition of the problem or challenge. Set ground rules that foster a non-judgmental and open-minded environment. Divergent thinking phase. Use techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, or Scamper to generate a wide range of ideas. Encourage creativity and free thinking. Convergent thinking phase. Start filtering and combining ideas, focusing on feasibility and potential impact. Prototype and feedback. Develop prototypes of selected ideas and seek feedback. This iterative process helps refine the ideas further. Effective ideation exercises. Brainwriting. Participants write down ideas on a sheet of paper and then pass the paper to the next person who adds their own ideas, building upon the existing ones. Role play. Adopt different personas or roles to view the problem from various perspectives, leading to unique solutions. Idea speed dating. Quickly share ideas within small groups, getting immediate feedback and suggestions for improvement. Ideation techniques are the backbone of creative problem solving. Methods like Scamper and design thinking provide structured pathways to generate innovative ideas, while ideation workshops create the collaborative environment necessary for these ideas to flourish. Through these techniques, individuals and teams can push the boundaries of conventional thinking, leading to breakthrough solutions in various fields. As the landscape of work and challenges evolves, mastering these ideation techniques becomes increasingly valuable for those looking to stay ahead in the competitive world of innovation.